Welcome to the video tutorial Operating and Programming for Turning using the 808D Siemens controller. The target group of these video tutorials are absolute beginners in Sinumerik controls as well as skilled programmers. To do this, we will create a sample program which is shown in this drawing. After explaining how to set the workpiece and the tools, we will show you how to operate the machine by programming a sample part with our programming editor. After we have tested the program within the simulation, we will show you how to load the program into automatic mode and produce workpieces. Each sequence can be repeated to expand your knowledge. We can only show and explain these features on our example machine, which in our case is a turning machine from Optimum, the L33 CNC. Please understand that the machine you can use has some differences.